Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Be careful. Spots on your nails can tell you about health problems. Everyone at least once in his life noticed strange white lines on his nails. Mostly they are so small that few people pay attention to them. Most often, their appearance is associated with a lack of vitamins or improper nail care. There are rare cases when the presence of such lines indicates the presence of the body of serious diseases. Nutriologist Fiona told the Mirror about several types of oddities on the nails and the likely nature of their occurrence. For example, such colored spots on nails mainly signal a lack of zinc and calcium in the human body. Based on this, the doctor advises to increase the proportion of dairy products and green vegetables in your diet. Pumpkin seeds and red meat will also be helpful. If the nails are healthy, then their color is predominantly natural pink. But when they start to take on a pale or bluish tinge, it can be a manifestation of poor circulation in the body. According to doctors, such a nuisance can be easily eliminated with an active lifestyle and regular exercise. If the nails change color, it can also signal iron loss. A blood test can confirm this guess. When nails begin to curl downward as they grow, this can be a good sign of lung problems. Doctors believe that older people most often face this. The nutritionist noted that such a seemingly insignificant defect may indicate problems with the respiratory tract or the cardiovascular system. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.